Good morning, welcome back to the woods as ever for our, daily little vlog that we've been starting to do. You guys have been really enjoying this kind of content, you've been smashing that like button. So do me a favour, make sure you subscribe and always drop a comment down below. Where do you start your morning day? So I thought this morning we'd talk a little bit just about the meme coin narrative. So we got a little bit of a move yesterday. We actually saw an average price increase of about 3% across the meme coin space. Particular winners, PEPE, now about 35% up on the week. Equally, we also see things like Book of Memes back into the top 100. So what's going on? Well, we've talked a little bit in my live stream last night about social interaction. The fact that we're seeing YouTube views down, the fact that we're seeing Twitter views down. People right now from a retail sector are not as interested in crypto as we maybe hoped. Now, doesn't mean that money isn't flowing into the market. $1.17 billion coming in on Bitcoin ETFs from a number of different sources that we didn't expect yesterday. So we actually saw that market move up. Bitcoin around 63,000 this morning. Did get rejected just a little bit over and pull back down to 62,700. But the point here is that people are still looking to buy into the meme coin narrative. And the view, generally speaking, is memes move first, then we move into altcoins. Layer 2 start to move as well. So we kind of sit this morning with a very interesting dilemma. We see that the meme coin market is starting to move. People are looking to buy in. People are looking for those green candles, while at the same time, Bitcoin remains pretty stagnant. However, what is interesting is the fact that we're now starting to see cryptocurrency exchanges ramping up their marketing. Crypto.com sponsoring the Formula One and getting involved. We see Kraken involved as well. So they are going after the retail sector. So for me, it's only a matter of time before that narrative does shift and we actually see a significant inflow of retail investors. When do retail come in? When the market is pumping. And that's what you've got to avoid. You've got to be in the market when you can. I was talking about a couple of coins, FOMO coins starting to move a little bit yesterday, as well as SHX. So shout out to the guys for picking that one. So some of these are absolutely starting to move right now. Everything for me, though, hinging on that XRP settlement. So we're hoping that we may get an announcement today. We're hoping we may get a figure in mind. There may even not be anything. And I talked a little bit about that in my video last night. So we're definitely setting up for an interesting weekend. Last weekend, we did see a move initially downside, but that came back pretty strongly into the Sunday as we saw Bitcoin rally back above 63,000. So again, this consolidation range between 62.5 up to about 64K is an interesting standpoint, building that floor level. Remember, retail comes in. When do you think Bitcoin is not expensive? And that's the reality where we start to see that push. So some big catalysts. Don't forget, CPI next week could be the start of that push as well. So definitely some interesting things going on. We're going to keep an eye on the meme coin space, Bonk, PEPE, Book of Memes. Keep your eyes on what's going on with those. See what looking like in terms of volume increase. Is retail coming in? That's when you know that things are going to start to get pretty interesting in the market. We know institutions are here to a degree. None of the big boys actually getting into play yet, but still some significant money. XRP settlement, CPI, it's all coiling for a very interesting couple of weeks in cryptocurrency. But let me know, as always, in the comments, where do you start your day? And if you do enjoy this kind of vlog sort of style, smash that like button. It's exactly how you interact with me. It's exactly how we understand it. And don't forget, check out some of those links in the description. And I'll catch you guys on my live space tonight on Twitter, on the live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern. See you soon. Bye-bye.